Ozzy?
Hey, Mom.
Really? Is that the best bottle you had all morning?
And how?
I don't think he can talk with his mouth full.
He's a ventriloquist.
Really? Let's just listen to the lovely little baby sounds.
Milk is sure yummy, Mommy.
Really?
He can
He's looking at you funny.
Yeah, he thinks Daddy's crazy. He's probably right.
Just a little. Well, you married me, didn't you?
Yep. Crazy. He's
Yummy.
enjoying his afternoon feeding
Yes, he is.
with vitamins.
Yes. Gotta go big and strong.
Just like his daddy.
Gotta take a break.
He said, give me more milk. Give me more milk. This is for bird.
Behind you. Hold on. There you go.
Thanks. Protection. Hey, no, mister. Hey, no, mister. Hey, no, it's... Gotta get those bubbles out.
Can you give us a burp?
You don't get those bubbles out, you start floating away.
Don't want to do that.
Or they might go downstairs and make other noises.
Ooh,
Just saying.
scary.
Just saying.
Moss, give us a burp. Where's our burp? Where's our burp? Come on, little guy. Give us a burp.
He's not burping on cue. We'll have to work on that.
Really?
Okay, let's get some more milk. Here you go, buddy. Here, you hold your bottle.
He's like, not yet. You can hold it for me.
Okay. He's gonna be famous.
Yes. Yeah, you make some cute little noises, don't ya? Don't ya? Boop. You looking at Mommy over the camera? Say, yes, Mom. Delicious. Okay, say bye. Ventriloquist Daddy, say bye.
Goodbye, folks. Talk to you soon.